I'm gonna guide you through how to make your Google browser as default. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. First, we're gonna go down to the search bar and type settings. We're gonna go up to system settings, click it. Then over to the left, we're gonna go to apps, click it. And then scroll down to defaults apps, click it. Then we're gonna search for the Google app by typing it. We're gonna click it. And here we're gonna make it set default. Click it. Then you can make additional changes to make Google as default. Select it, set default. Also, you can set Google to open PDFs as default. Click it, set default. Thanks for watching.